In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple designs at once in Canva. If you use Canva a lot, your homepage can quickly get cluttered with old projects, drafts, or test designs you don't need anymore. Cleaning these up not only makes it easier to find your important work, it can also help you stay organized and more productive. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to quickly select and delete several designs in one go, instead of removing them one by one. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where all your designs are saved. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage. This is where Canva shows your recent designs, suggested templates, and different folders. For this process, we'll be working from this home area, so there's no need to open any individual design. Next, look for the section that shows your designs. Depending on your layout, you might see them listed under your designs or recent designs. Take a moment to scroll through and identify which designs you no longer need. It's a good idea to double check because once items are moved to the trash, you'll have to restore them from there if you change your mind later. Now, start selecting the designs you want to delete. On most browsers, you can click on the small checkbox or selection marker that appears when you hover over a design thumbnail. If you want to select several designs that are next to each other, you can click on the first one, then hold down your keyboard's Shift key and click on the last one in that range. Canva will select everything in between, which is much faster than individually clicking each one. If you accidentally select something by mistake, just click it again to deselect it. Once you've selected all the designs you want to remove, look toward the top or bottom of the screen for a trash icon. This usually appears as a small trash bin once you have at least one design selected. Click on that trash icon. Canva will then show a confirmation message or a small pop-up. In that pop-up, click on Move to Trash. This step is important because it prevents accidental deletion by asking you to confirm. After you click Move to Trash, Canva will remove all the selected designs from your main view and place them into your trash folder. And that's it. You've now cleaned up multiple Canva designs in just a few clicks.